Hello everyone, welcome back to WB Blacksmithing. Today we're going to forge this battle axe thing that somebody ordered. I have it drawn out here for mine and your reference. It's going to have an octagonal pole, a curved edge here, and a tomahawk style eye. That way it's bigger on the top, smaller on the bottom. That way you can slide the handle in from the top and it'll be friction fit. The reason for that is because the guy's making his own handle. He does wood turning as a hobby, and if it's round, it'll be easier for him to turn. He won't have to do any offset turning and have to do any calculations and stuff like that. It'll just be a lot simpler for this, for what he wants to do. So this is the piece of steel I have. It's 1 3/4 inches round, 4 inches long. Should be a good amount of material for it. So thanks for watching and subscribing. We're going to get into it now. So I have my steel heating up in the fire, and I just changed out the dies of the press to these large flat dies. They're 3 by 4 inches just on the faces. So we're going to use those to square up our billet. And I guess not, instead of square, it's going to be more rectangular. Okay guys, as you can see, I have this thing drifted out with 2 different drifts. One is a small round drift, just open it back up, is after I punched the eye on the press, I used the big flat dies and flattened it, and that closed up the eye quite a bit, so I had to open it up enough to get my second drift in. So I have the pole rough forged out, I have the eye roughed in. Now we're going to start doing a little bit of the shape of the blade, and after the blade is roughed out, we'll come back and mess with the eye some more, draw the cheeks down a bit, and then go back and clean up the blade. Alrighty guys, I have to fix the blade here a bit, but I want it to be evenly pointy on both the top and bottom, so I'm going to have to probably go over here and slowly draw this out. I can't really get in there on the press. I could also, I guess, do it this way, but honestly, this seems like it'll be the most efficient way to get it done. Square. And the actually called my be on top of the like that. And then I or pointy is more pointy about right. I'll probably actually all this like here but in my fingers. So no, like and you know, you're talking about this awkward. Like that's up. I'm going to use the main profile shape. Set the wording. The primary handles. Force some handles here. And I'm going to do finding it. You see how it's starting to on the edge. Now it's going to start here real quick. There we go. And I'd say that's good for a forged out little axe. I do plan at least to still grind in the pointy ended cheeks. I may reshape the blade, but I'm not sure yet. Guess I'll see after I get a profile grind done and stuff and see what it looks like with the cheeks pointed. And then I'll make a final decision. But as far as this video goes, thanks for watching and subscribing. By the way, the face of this anvil is 5 inches wide, so my blade is almost 5 inches wide. There you go. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Bye.